Good evening, all my Edu Skills family members. So I would like to say thanks to Father Saleen and all the admin panel members. So thanks is not enough for them because the people, Father Saleen and admin panel, what hard work they have did and in what way they nurtured us. Like really, they made us to fall in love in OET with the Edu Skills family. So I would like to say whenever I watch this father's video, I too try to copy him like welcome to OET Skills. Our mission is to make you fall in love with OET. If you are watching this on YouTube, kindly consider subscribing the channel. Give us a thumbs up if you like on phone. Please share this video to your contacts so that we reach out to maximum number of OET aspirants for those who are suffering financially and emotionally to strengthen. So this kind of motto, I think rarely in India we have such kind of personality like Father Salim. I think I don't know. He can earn money, lot of money actually, but though he had contributed in learning things to the poor people or those who are need really who are suffering with emotionally or financially. And coming to my point, I have joined in this discussion group with invitation by Nitya ma'am on Jan 26th and Mine ma'am. They have asked me to join. If you want to join in our discussion group, you have to take 3 classes. Then I have started to join the EDU discussion group. So initially, when I started joining this EDU discussion group, I felt I went back to my college days. Like teacher is giving tasks and doing homework kind of thing. I felt like that. Why this much pinpoint? Why this much specific? Before 11 o'clock, you have to send all the material whichever you are going to present on the day on the daily discussion part. I felt that much. Why that much time bounded thing? I don't understand. But later I realized that that is a crucial point for everybody. So all these days, Nitya ma'am and Mini ma'am, they and Anita ma'am and Jyoti ma'am, these people are really made us to impossible things to possible with the discussions. And coming to father, no, he's God to me. You know that in Venkateswara Swami, Lord Venkateswara Swami, Puri Jagannath Swami, all the goddess of Hindus in the Hindu religion. I can call him like that only because I used to keep his profile picture in front of my desktop. So hope you people understand the gratitude towards the father. And people like me, as said by Deepika madam, in North India, something different. The same way in South India, something different. And the state like Telangana, newly formed in 2014, we do have such kind of things like the undeveloped areas, remote areas. There we don't have this much accessibility. Even if we don't have any OET learning centers nearby. When if you want to go to any physical classes, I have to travel 150 kilometers from my location, where that is Hyderabad. So if I go to them there, I have to come back again. This is a very this thing. And I thought of joining any YouTube channels or any online classes I want to take initially, but people are not that much. But I feel that much level there they haven't appeared. But whereas father's videos I used to watch, that peel. Whenever I used to listen this his videos, that made my mind has changed. Really, thanks to father. This is not enough to you. We'll try to continue our relationship with you in coming days. And I think everybody in this discussion group should crack OET in coming days. Hopefully by 2027, everyone should move to their destination points. Hopefully with the God grace. Thanks to Father, thanks to Nitya ma'am and Mini ma'am and Anita ma'am and Jyoti ma'am. Jyoti ma'am was helped me in attending the classes, how this and all will help. She also helped me. Unfortunately, she's not here. Thank you all.